LG500 LG600 series cold laser machine is a patented product by Hali. It has a built-in microcomputer and is equipped with cloud control software that updates drawings in real time and supports multiple languages. It is small in size, comes with Wi-Fi, autofocus, air purification, and one-button starts. It is mainly used for removing the front glass, frame, and back glass of mobile phones and tablets. It can effectively improve the speed and yield of screen repair and reduce the damage to the screen by manual operation.